Today we're going to be doing this review and opening, basically box opening, and we're going to show you how it works with this Autoone. I hope I'm saying that correctly, Autoone, and it's the jump starter with air compressor, so it's a JWA1. This is the model that we're going to be doing. It also does show on here it is a jump starter, air inflation, and a power bank, and also comes with an LED light. So here is the case that they sent us, and it is extremely nice. Most of these I don't get a case with, and I have to buy that separately, so I'm actually excited that I have one that comes with its own case, and we're going to look at how this, basically what all comes with it and what all this does. So we'll kind of go over everything that this comes with once we open it up. It does come with your quick guide on how to use this. Has a little flap right here to kind of hold this into place and probably protect from when this stuff is metal over here and it does move around a little bit so it doesn't scratch the other piece. Over here, most of these will come with this particular piece. Basically, this will plug into the unit itself, and then you have your negative and positive jump parts right here. These are actually kind of really nice, comparable to some of the other ones I've used. The other ones seem really cheap. These actually seem really high quality. So you can tell a lot about these with the way they make these, especially the plastics and everything like that. Some of these are really cheap and some of these are really good quality. So this one's actually really good quality. Also comes with all these little, like a needle for a basketball, things like that, that you'll need for tire inflation, things like that, for a bicycle, and you know, different applications. And then here, this is gonna screw in down here. And then it's going to come with this style right here that goes on here that you can use like for a needle, different things like that, to be able to air up everything that you would need. So this is actually not fixed, which is nice that it actually unscrews, because most of them they're fixed in and it's kind of cumbersome and difficult because it's connected to the actual unit itself. It does come with USB, I believe, type C. Yep, USB type C right here. And it is like a ribbon style. That's pretty cool. That's flat. This is the actual unit. When we pull this out, that's probably right there where you're going to screw in everything for the air compressor. And it does have, this is where you will plug in right here. Boom. That is where you're going to plug this in. So this part right here will plug into right there, which has your jump box on there. And then over here, you're going to have your type C and USB. All these are really nice too, the little rubber pieces that snap in here. This is a really neat looking unit right here. I'm surprised. There's your LED right there. So I am really happy. Let's hold this down. Maybe I hold it down, turn it on. It shows 2 bars. So we're probably gonna have to charge this too, because it's been sitting for a while. So we need to probably charge this as well so we can show you what it will do. If you go on here, you can actually lower and adjust the PSI, which is pretty cool right there. You can turn on the LED just by pushing that. You push it again, it will do like a little synchronization, SOS, and then there, and then push it again, it's off. So this is really nice, so that you can change the PSI and everything. That's really cool. So I need to charge this before I use it because it's only on 2 bar. I want to make sure everything's good. And then you can change the mode too. If you see here, the mode you can change to bicycle, motorcycle, vehicle, everything like that. So that's really cool. Boom, back on PSI. This is a really nice unit, especially all in one, which is really nice. We went ahead and plugged this in here. It can only go in one way, and it's gonna blink at you until you plug this into the battery, and then it's gonna let you know it's connected. But I need to charge this first so that we can kind of show you how this works, and we'll jump start a vehicle. We got plenty of vehicles we need to jump start, but that's how you plug this in. It can only go in one way because it's square and round. And then, like I said, you're gonna take this and you can screw this in to use the pump. So this is gonna thread in right here, and then that way you can use the actual pump right there to blow up your tires, or you know, you got a basketball or anything like that. it's nice that it is removable.
This is how loud it is. It's actually not that loud comparable to other units I've used. It's actually not that loud. It's actually probably one of the quietest ones I've seen so far. Most of the other ones are extremely loud, but this one's, if you can hear me over it, you'll see it's not that loud. We're gonna hook this up to our tire. Our tire is low right now, so we're gonna hook this bad boy up. We're gonna plug it in and see how loud it is and air the tire up. We have everything connected right here, and we're reading about 21.5, so we need to start this. This is about how loud it is. It's not that loud. I mean, it could be louder. We want to show you what it does. It airs up very quickly. Doing a pretty good job. About every 10 seconds, it's about 1 PSI. So that's, yeah, about 10 seconds, about 1 PSI. So that's not bad at all. It's not very loud. I mean, it is loud, but not extremely loud like some other ones. And it's not vibrating a whole lot either, too. So we're gonna plug this into this port right here. We've already got our positive and our negative plugged in. So what we're gonna need to do is take this piece right here and we're gonna plug it into the side right here. That way it's ready to jump start right there. You see there, it's gonna stop dinging and then it's gonna be green right there. And then that way you can just basically start it and then it will start everything. Now this is low on power, but basically it's all you gotta do and it's gonna start that truck. So we'll show you, we'll go in there and start it right up. Grab our keys over here and we'll go inside the truck. Go in here, stick our key in. Starts right up.